Tony!
Yeah?
Dude, I think we're out of dew again. Can you go to the store?
I went to the store last time.
But you drank all the dew this time.
No, I didn't.
Tony, there's 3 empty bottles up here, and they all have lipstick on them, and I'm looking at you.
What the Dude, I don't wear lipstick.
Okay.
Say it again.
You wore lipstick.
I'll go to the store.
Yeah, please. If you could.
Yeah, and you know what? You too, man.
Son of a bitch!
At their peak, the Hollywood Power Players were the most successful production company in the history of film. They were involved with the production of 9 out of the 10 highest-grossing films of all time. Due to escalating drug use, sexual promiscuity, and publicized meltdowns, the pieces of the empire they erected came crumbling down in the winter of '98. They disbanded, parting into obscurity. Until now.
Hi, I'm Kyle.
Hi, I'm Mike.
Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm a Hollywood Power Player.
And I'm a Hollywood Power Player.
I'm a Hollywood Power Player.
These guys were my brothers for a while.
Those were the days. Those were the days back then with those guys.
It feels like a lifetime ago when I was with those guys.
The whole movie industry, it's what we did. It's what we lived for.
We thought Hollywood was going to be so easy.
But I still remember it like it was yesterday.
Back in those days, it was just white wine, women, and hate crimes.
We had the world at our fingertips, but man, did we it up.
Anything went.
You know, what goes up must come down. And in our case, we came down hard.
The world was like a little bin of Planters peanuts, but we knocked it off the counter. The fighting.
Talk about your fucking fetish. What fetish?
The fighting? Yeah. Dude, look at this! What the What the is your problem?
It just turned into this whirlwind of drug abuse, violent sex, kid porn. Bad.
Get that motherfucker!
Hey, what the? Yeah, there were a lot of fights.
That's your own damn fault.
Fuck off.
We were always fighting, but what family doesn't fight? I'm trying to drive. I'm trying to drive.
I wouldn't even call it fighting. Kyle?
Fucking thinks it's funny!
Kyle, you know how it is.
Kyle, listen to me. Don't test me, man.
I'm just saying.
I don't want to say rape. But part of me does.
Oh, I feel so good. Oh, gross!
Say Betty and I'll stop! Say Betty and I'll stop!
Betty!
We definitely had our scuffles.
Oh, okay, okay. Why don't we do that? Huh? Oh!
See, you do.
No, but
Shut
you
up.
know I get us the Joe D. I'll take the fucking back seat.
When you love somebody so much, you see them like that all the time.
It's just that we usually come more prepared than you. Maybe I don't want to untie you from the goddamn ceiling every morning.
Got into a lot of lovers' quarrels. It was bad.
Shut the hell up!
No, there was a lot of fighting.
You just know that in the long run, they're just gonna fail.
Tony blew our entire budget because he bought 40 of these Sudoku handheld games.
Well, I didn't know I was gonna be like on the fucking shooting gallery here.
We got in a lot of physical fights.
Get down, little girl!
I try to focus on the good, you know.
Socio Gypsy. That was a band that we had before we were the Hollywood Power Players.
Socio Gypsy. Whoo doggy, those were bad times.
We gave it a shot.
Those guys just didn't get it.
just didn't work.
Yeah, it didn't really turn out the way we thought it would.
All right, guys, this time I'm gonna count it off, okay?
Okay.
So sweep mother home, take
Okay.
56. Ready?
All right.
Let's do it.
1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sweet mother home, sweet mother, take me home, take me. Oh,
You're off beat, Mike. You're off.
I wouldn't be off beat if he would actually sing like.
I'm not
the
loud
song.
enough.
It's a wireless mic.
wireless
I don't
mic.
think I'm plugged in.
Oh, all right.
Listen.
1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sweet mother, take me home.
You gotta sing into the mic.
Mike, so if you're not gonna take this seriously, dude,
Who says I'm not taking this
door.
seriously?
You're not taking it
serious.
You're
Take
not
off
taking
your
it
stupid sunglasses
No.
and learn
Stop.
to play.
Stop it.
No.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
talentless
Stop
bitch.
it. Stop it. Oh, you know what? Oh, Bud.
Go take your wireless mic somewhere else.
Dick.
Me and Kyle got
Bigot.
this anyway, dude.
Bigot.
Kyle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kyle is a lunatic, dude.
It's cop.
That's not your full cop! I'm sorry, man!
Yeah, Kyle had a lot of anger issues.
Fix the light.
You. Sleeping.
Dick. You can't get him under control.
Oh, that's not fucking out of hand!
Just can never stop him.
Stop it! Please!
Oh, just an angry man.
Sociopath.
You want to talk about a guy who gets an inch and runs about 14 miles that way? Tony, holy shit.
If I had a dime for every time he would walk into the bathroom on accident.
Tony got a little creepy. Tony got a little out of control sometimes.
He always made you feel wanted, but not in the ways that you really wanted it to be.
Tony, was excessively aggressive.
And I was just kind of thinking, like, maybe I'm gay or maybe I'm not.
Excessively pushy.
Kyle, I got some extra bone marrow laying around if you need it.
Great. Great in bed.
Blowjob.
The gay porn. That didn't stop. That was an all-the-time thing with Tony. I mean, I pretty much had to have a password on my computer just so he couldn't get access to it. It was all the time. Tony, what the are you doing, dude?
What do you mean?
Dude, get this gay shit off my computer right now!
Oh, it was spam, man.
Yeah, I don't believe that for a second. Why are your pants off?
Not off, man. I just took a piss. You know, sometimes I leave them down.
Talk about a guy who doesn't know the meaning of no.
You're gonna accept it for what it is. It's a beautiful joke with wonderful endings. Are you hearing me?
For as much of a creeper as Tony was, Mike was no angel himself.
I'm not saying that Mike's racist.
Mike is a severe racist. He's bad with it.
But I'm saying he read a lot of Nietzsche.
White power this.
I was thinking about making some French toast. Do you guys have any white bread?
I thought we were making movies.
Tony and I used to get so sick of how terribly racist he was, how awful he could be, how much of a bigot he was. Bigot? Bigot. Bigot? Cocaine. Mike was doing all the big time stuff.
You know, the sex, drugs, and rock and roll, I guess that's how you say it.
Mike and the hookers. Yeah.
Mike had a real problem with those hookers.
Hookers? Me? No way. No. Yeah.
That was a period that got out of control.
How much, maybe? Prostitutes. I'm gonna score tonight. Again, they're talking about the hookers?
Just Mike he's not a nice guy.
You ever use goat blood as a lubricant?
Goat blood? Come on. Who says that? Just he's disgusting. He's a pig.
The hookers.
It got to the point with Mike, because he had such a hooker problem, that, I mean, we'd be on set trying to get stuff filmed. Hookers everywhere. I couldn't tell actors from hookers.
Hookers.
Always with the hookers! Why do we have to talk about the hookers again? No!
Stop the car! Stop the car! He pays the mortgage, pays for the trips to the clinic. I think a couple of the kids are his. Ugh, you.
Bitch!
No, he's a pig. He is a good customer. I'm gonna call my pimp Mr. Callahan.
Don't give me no lip, bitch.
Is Mike gonna be here? Because if he's not, then I can't do that anymore. I mean, I know he likes the wig and all, but it's weird.
I don't know if I'm ready to see these guys again. I don't think it's time.
I just never really felt the bond with those guys. I don't know if I'm ready.
I don't know if I'm ready to see these guys again.
Wait, reunion today? Like, they're here now? What?
I don't see them. Where are they?
You telling me that they're here, like, now?